Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura and a Micro 9 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up. Basically we assembled the whole machine and deep clean everything inside it, especially the brew group unit that is located right here. Pretty much clean everything inside. Yeah, that's the brew unit. That unit, we removed the whole thing, lubricated, replaced the O-ring from it, and deep clean the shower screen of it as well. We also deep clean the machine, give it a couple of cleaning cycles, and clean up the spouts as well. So we're gonna test it out, starting with 1 shot of espresso. Good water flow, excellent color. To answer. Working good. Now for the hot water. And as you can see, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Jura and a Micro 9 working once again. So thank you for the Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.